Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker IFMK or IFresh Inc. Just pulling out some of the recent news stories here. There's one that says IFresh shares jump on supply agreement with Tmall Global. It says here IFresh Inc. with Alibaba.com, Singapore E-commerce Private Limited, or Tmall Global. The financial terms of the arrangement remain undisclosed. It says the agreement establishes a cross-border trade partnership enabling IFresh to sell American food and products to China through Tmall Global's cross-border e-commerce platform. It says under the agreement terms, IFresh will bring fresh American food and products to Tmall Global, including infant formula, dried fruit, coffee, and other snacks. It's talking about the price action after the announcement, 38.2% move. So let's check out some price action right now. Got the daily chart pulled up, and actually on the daily here, while the price was still trading below the 21-day EMA, my trend reversal indicator did flash a buy signal here. Of course, there was no indication leading to any kind of crazy news that would pump this thing up to almost $1.50. That would have been a very great entry right there, because then the price bumped up a little bit above the 21, died off, and then the huge explosion. Let's get into some more detail here. On the 1 hour chart, you can see that the latest signal here is a sell. So after this thing pumped up to about $1.44 yesterday, started to sell off pretty hard. There was a big nasty candle here, and that's where my trend reversal indicator threw up a sell signal. Price was around $1.05 at that point, so pretty much trading around that range right now. So latest signal here on the 1 hour is a sell for the trend reversal. You can see the price is really starting to dump right now, right before the market opens, down to $1.02, $1.01 right now. Let's head into the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart as well. Latest signal here is a sell. So you can see on this big red candle here, it threw up a sell. Price was around $1.24, so that would have been a great short entry, as now the price is down to about $1. So it looks like on the shorter time frames here, the 15-minute and the 1 hour, my trend reversal indicator is showing a sell signal. And then back to the daily chart here, the latest is a buy. So let's head back to the 15-minute and just check out a few key levels. You can see it's selling down to this key level right now, around $1, because you can see in after hours trading yesterday, it came down to that level and was able to reject it. Floated back above the 21, started to retrace or die off a little bit again, and now it's right at that dollar level. So I definitely keep an eye on that right now, because if it falls through this dollar level, you can see there's not a ton going on until you hit about 90 cents or so. You can see some candles bumping up against this 90 cent level a few days ago and then selling off from that. So I think we could see about a 10-cent move to the downside if this thing falls through $1. And then to the upside, you can see that it rejected around this $1.15 level. So this was in pre-market trading today. It rammed up against that early in the day, unable to get through it, and then it's retraced significantly from $1.15 down to $1.01 right now. So keep an eye on this level here. If the price starts to tick up, gets above the 21-day EMA on the 15-minute chart here, and can close above this level as well, I think it's going to go back and retest around $1.25. I'll continue to keep you guys updated on IFMK or IFresh Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.